Okay, guys, let's start our lesson. Good day, and my name is Сейтжанова Г.Қ, and I have been working as mathematics for 3 years, and now I'm working at Karaganda Білім-Innovation Lyceum for girls, number 2. And today we are going to learn topic statistics, yes, for 7th grade. Okay, let's start. Let's start our lesson. Okay, write down today's date. Today's date, and our topic is statistics. Okay. The main aim of our topic will be we have there are 5 main aims, yes. Now the notions of main entity, random sample, yes, static series and options. And the second one is calculate absolute and relative frequencies. And the third one is collect statistical data and present them as a table. The fourth is present as sample as a frequency table. And the last one is check table, checking the table data for consistency, yes? Okay. The first, okay, and we have some definitions about statistics. Statistics is a branch of mathematics, yes, which deals with the collection, some details, yes, analysis, interpretation, and representation of masses of numerical data. A sample is a group of subjects selected from a population, yes? Okay, this is, you can see in the picture, yes, the population, and then we have the sample. Sample is a group of set, yes, like I said. Okay, and the first main, subtopic will be summarizing data, yes. We have some example, yes. For example, frequency distribution table consists of 2 rows or columns. One row or columns show the data values, and other shows the frequency of each value. Frequency, what does it mean? It means повторение, да? Бір нәрсенің бірнеше рет қайталануын біз frequency деп атаймыз, частота яғни. Of each value of f. The frequency of a value is the number of times it occurs in the data set. Number of times. Қайталанудың түрлеріне, қайталанудың неше қайталану бар, соны біз frequency деп атаймыз. For example, imagine that 25 students took math tests and received the following marks. Yes? Okay, we have 25 students, yes, they are passed the math exam, yes. We have total point is 10, yes, and we must find the frequency of this table, yes. Okay, look at the next slide, yes. The following table shows the frequency distribution of these marks, and we have a mark from 1 to 10, yes, and who take the 1 point from 10 is 0, yes. We have this one, okay, and two students have 3 points, yes, and you can see in this table, yes. From this summarizing data, we have the frequency, like we create the table, yes. Okay, and example first. 25 students were given blood test to determine their blood type, yes. The data set was as follows: A, B, and okay, we have data, yes, summarizing data, and we must the first construct a frequency table, yes, distribution table, and find the percentage of each plot. Okay, the first. Okay, let's solve this problem, yes? Okay. And then write down a solution to this task. Solution will be, we have, how many types of group we have? A, yes, B, and AB. We have O, yes, and that's all, yes, that's all. Types, how many types do we have? We have 4 types, like A. The second type will be B. The third type will be AB. And the last one will be O, yes? Okay, there are 4 types of blood types, yes, group of types. And we must find the frequency. Frequency. A. Let's in the picture you can see, yes, A. How many times do we have A? First, 1, 2. In this column, yes, 3 and 4. Okay, 4 times, yes, 4 times we have A, and let's count the B. In the first section, what we have 1B, second B, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. Yes, okay. 7 times AB, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 times. And the last one, O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 times. And total will be, if we have a sum, these numbers, we must take the 25, because 25 students were given, yes? Okay, plus 5 plus 9. Let's check. 4 plus 9 is 11. 11 plus 5 will be 16, and 16 plus 9 will be 25. Okay, it's true for 8. And the next, we need the percentage of each blood, yes? Percentage will be absolutely frequency, yes? Okay, let's find the absolutely frequency, like a percentage, yes? We know that we have 25 students, yes? Okay, and we must find the quotient, yes? 4 from 25 times 100%. Yes? This is formula to find the percentage of each blood, yes? Okay, then we find the answer like with percent, yes? Okay, substitute them, and we get a 16%. Okay, we can just multiply them by 5, yes? Because if we all the total percent we divide by 25, it will be 4, yes? It will be 4. Wait, I'm sorry, I made a mistake. We must multiply by 4, yes? Okay, 7 times 4 will be 28, yes, percent. This will be 20%, yes? And the last one, 9 times 4% in each, and it will be 36%, yes? If we if we find the sum of this percentage, we must take the total of percent, yes, 100%. 16 plus 28 plus 20 plus 36 will be 100%. Okay, and the answer will be in this table, yes? We construct the frequency distribution table. Okay. The next subtopic will be about presenting and interpreting data. When we have collected, yes, we have collected the information, yes, recorded and summarized them. And our data, we have to present it in form that people can easily understand, yes? Graphs are an easy way of displaying the data, yes? Yani biz бағанағы берілген информацияны таблица түрінен құрғаннан көрі бізге оны графикті түрде көрген, көзбе-көз көрген, яғни жеңілдірек болады, я? Біз, яғни, түстерге бөліп қойсақ та болады оны, я? Okay, there are three kinds of a graph: a line graph, a bar graph, and a circle graph. Also called circle graph, it means pie chart, yes? Okay. Bar graph. Bar graph, it's about the most common type of graph is a bar graph, also called histogram, yes? A bar graph uses rectangular bars to represent data. Okay, in this example, we have a table, for example, that students received at the end of the year's marks. This table shows, yes, the marks that students received at the end of the year different school subjects. For example, math, 9 points, yes, physics, 7 points, and etc. Draw a vertical bar graph for the data in the table. Okay, let's solve this problem. For example, if we can see the table. From the table, we must create bar graphs, yes, rectangular form. Okay, as you can see in this solution, yes, we have marks from 0 to 10, yes, and we must label them to the vertical axis, yes, and the horizontal axis will be the types of the subjects, and we have 7 subjects, yes. Lessons will be held on the horizontal, on the x-axis, yes, and in the y-axis will be the marks from 0 to 10, yes. Okay, and we must create the bar rectangular graphs with the same distance. Okay, in this table we have for example, this is 1 centimeter, yes, and your graphs will be with the same distance. Okay, for example, 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter and etc. Okay, it's easy to understand, yes. Okay, the next type is a line graph. We can make line graph, also called broken line, by drawing line segments, yes, to join the tops of the bars in the bar graph. For example, imagine that in the last example, we have subjects and points, yes? We have bar graphs, and the top will be in this one, yes? Yani төбелеріне біз отмечаем точки, yeah? Біз белгілейміз точкаларды. We must help them by points, yes? We represent by points. This point of this top of the mathematics, yes? Physics, the top of this one, and we must connect them by drawing line segments. Okay, this is you can see in the next by the near graph, yes. Okay, And it's also easiest one, yes? Okay, next topic will be, in this example, I'm sorry, I have a problem with my demonstration. 1 minute, please. Okay, please, you can solve this problem, okay? And next will be, okay, sometimes we have a summarizing data, and sometimes some examples will be about the can give you some questions, yes, like this. Okay, example will be the gross domestic product, yes, of country is the total value of new goods and services that the country produce in a given year, yes. Year will be 2003, yes, 2003. Okay, you can see the tables, yes, no, but not table, bar graphs, yes, and you have all information about the gross domestic product, yes, and we must just answer the questions. For example, the first question, which country spent the largest percentage of its GDP on education? Okay, let's see. The largest one, the largest percent will be, largest, it means ең көп percent, yeah? Yani bizde, we have a 7%. 7% is the largest one. And the country will be USA. And our answer will be the largest percentage has USA, yes, with 7%. The second question, which country spent the smallest percentage of its GDP on education, yes? The smallest is will be, ең кішкентайы is Turkey, yes? 3.4. Okay, 3.4%. It's the answer, yes, Turkey. The next question, finds the percentage difference between the countries which spend the largest and smallest percentage of their GDP on education. We, in the last questions, we find the largest one and the smallest one. And the difference will be 7% minus 3.4% will be 3.6%, yes? Okay, we just found the percentage, their differences from biggest one from smallest, yes? Okay, the last question is about which countries spend the same percentage of their GDP on education. Which countries have the same one? Their percentage are equal. It's in Norway, you can see in the bar graph, and Australia, yes? Okay, will be our answer. The same percentage have Norway, country Norway, and Australia. It's easy, yes? Some questions will be so easy. Okay, the next type will be, it's about, I'm sorry, I have a problem with demonstration. This example is for you. You can see the paragraphs, yes, and answer the following questions. It's so easy, yes? It's for you. Okay, the last topic is, subtopic is circle graph. We just named it pie chart, yes, like a pie. Okay, pie chart is a type of graph representing data in a circular form, as you can see, with each slice of the circle representing a fraction or proportionate part of the whole pie, yes? All slices of the pie add up to make the whole equaling 100% total percent and 360 degrees, yes? Okay, from geometry, we have a 360 degrees, yes? From percentage, we have in order to find percentage, we just need a fraction, yes. For example, if we have a, for example, we have a, in this example, it's a, will be vegetables, yes. For example, apple, 13%, yes. If we have a, it's like the fraction will be 13 from total percent, yes. And we do it like the same one. Okay. And it's the last one. And we have a some tasks. Check yourselves. Tasks. You do it at home. Okay, this is topic about the statistics and the bar graphs, representing pie graphs, circle pie charts, and the marks. Yes. Okay. Goodbye.